Right, an old-fashioned way of recording. I'm going to show you how to use the Doceri app if you want to do a lesson and post it online. So, the Doceri app, okay? Now then, here we go, Doceri. Right, from my iPad alone, we go down here, bottom left, hit the plus sign, iPad default. Okay, so now then, here we go. Now you're ready to record, really. I mean, you can do whatever you want on here. We go, I've got the pen going. Now you can use your finger. Doesn't matter, you know, whatever kind of, these are the fancy ones, of course, we get. I can go here and erase that. You can hold it down, make it bigger. Make it as big as you can, okay, just, you know, erase a lot. So, again, if I do that, whatever, I can go back, hit that, forward, okay? Right, let's just erase that again. Now then, of course, I want some questions in here. So what I'm going to have to do is actually go and find some. So here we go. Back to... Right, Chrome, instructor resources or your own shell. Okay, let's look at our own shell. So I'm just going to choose section 5.5 as an example. Now remember, we have some worksheets in here. I can click on that and take a screenshot, all right? Or, here we go into instructor resources. Now I've put a lot of the new ones in instructor resources, okay? So, because I've also got them bit better formatted and also Word document as well, okay? If you want to prefer using a Word document. But actually for this, I'm going to use a PDF because in D2L PDFs look better. So, right, I'm going to click on 5.5. Right, this pops up. If I want it bigger, that icon there. Right, also, this is why I'm doing this with my kind of hands as well, so you can see it. I'm just going to do this. Okay, there we go. Right, screenshot. This is how you do a screenshot. The button there and the power button, all right? Do it together. Right, get rid of it. Okay, we've got a screenshot. You know, maybe I'll do this as well, okay? Okay, a screenshot. Get rid of it. Okay, let's go. Back to Doceri. Okay, right, so I want some questions on here. iPhoto library. Screenshots. Right, what have I just done? Let's put that one on. Now don't forget, hit done. Next slide, you know, can you? Slide one of one. Okay, next one. Again, go back here. iPhoto library, screenshots. Let's get the other one. Hit done, don't forget. So if we go back and forth, there we go. You see, questions 1, 2, and 3 on the slide. Right, we're set to go. So, record. Start recording. As soon as I hit that, we're off. So it's going to be recording my voice as well. Right, students, blah, blah. Okay, so again, you can just teach just like you would do on the whiteboard, okay? What do you want to do? And again, now, if you need more space, okay, if you want more space between here to work with, download the Word document, you know, re-edit it, resave it, send it back to yourself, whatever you want to do, okay, because I prefer PDFs anyway, but if it looks okay as a Word document, great, take a screenshot of it. But again, you'll have more space here if you re-edit it. Now again, you know, if I keep on going and do all this, I would then go to the next questions and find all the zeros, okay? Now eventually, of course, we're going to stop that recording. Stop recording. As soon as it does that, it pops up in the Doceri recordings. Here's the last one. Here's some I did earlier, okay? It shows you how long it was and the size. Don't worry too much about the size because there's one down here that looks like 80 megabytes. YouTube seems to be fine, okay? So I've got that done. And again, if I want to press on it, now, I've got to admit, sometimes it should actually play here. I don't know why. Sometimes you can play it again just to see if you haven't made any mistakes, okay? Not sure why it's not doing it there. Now then, your decisions. Once you think it's okay, to YouTube. Okay, now again, you're going to have a YouTube account. So go in Google, Gmail, just get yourself a YouTube account going, okay? Title, send. But if you want to, you can unlist it. Now again, that means that only the students who get the links can watch it, okay? You can find it. It's entirely up to you. Okay, but title and send. Right, okay, I think, other options. Now then, okay, so if you're not going to YouTube, you can always delete it if you don't like it. This one here is quality, okay? It'll lower the quality, lower the size, but I wouldn't bother doing that. YouTube can handle these. It doesn't take too long to send it to YouTube. Even a 5 to 10 minute video is not too bad. So that will reduce the quality. Don't worry with that one. The top one is just if you want to email it just to a student, okay? It gives you options to pick up email or message somebody. So again, that one, YouTube, change the quality or delete it. Put it back up there, get rid of it. And that is pretty much it. So I'm just going to, again, I think that's all we need to do. Just shut that off. And if you want to, that's what comes up. Now you can delete this. It's not going to go away from your video collection. Again, my recordings. It'll stay there. Again, so notice what I did. I also start recording and go to my recordings. So again, shut that off. So this is just, you can do this. Edit, get rid of any excess, delete. Okay. Now, of course, if you are going to go back and think to yourself, well, I've done that, I think I'll just delete the video, then, of course, just go in fact, I will do. This is just me playing around, so come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Delete. Okay, there we go.